Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's training I'll be showing you guys how you can design a copy trading website with so many features. It has a wallet connect, okay, it has a coin swapping, funds transfer, withdrawal code, deposits. All right, so I'll quickly show you guys the site. We're going to go through it together. Then So make sure you watch till the end of this video. Okay, guys, this is a very lucrative skill, right? I assure you, if you watch till the end of this video, by the end of this year, you'll be making at least 500k every month. Okay, guys, so as you can see, this is a very beautiful copy trading website. So I'm going to show you guys the features of this site. As you can see, it is very beautiful and well structured. Okay, so I'll give you access to these scripts at the end of this training, so make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'll also be showing you how you can develop and upload these websites for your clients within 30 minutes and you are done. For real, I'm serious, I'm not joking here. You can go through my videos. Okay, we mean business. All right, so hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment for us, and we'll get back to you. So that's it. Let's quickly log in into the site so that you can see the features of the website. So I'll click on login here. So I'm going to type in my user and my password as well. Awesome. Can you see the dashboard? The dashboard is looking cool and professional as well. So this is the dashboard. This is where you can see your account balance, your total profits, total bonus, referral bonus. Okay. You can also see your active copy trades here and your recent transactions. Everything will be shown here. So let's check the deposit features of this site. So this is the deposit. You can just go ahead and type in any amount. Then I'll select the payment method. So everything is working perfectly fine. Okay. Like I said, I'll give you access to this code at the end of this training. So make sure you watch, right? So let's select Bitcoin and click on proceed. So this is it. Can you see that? Then you just go ahead and copy the wallet address, make the transfer, and upload the receipt here, right? So as you can see, this is also a very nice features of this site. You can switch it to dark mode at night and you can switch it to light mode. Can you see that? Awesome. Awesome. So let's check the withdrawal. This is the withdraw from your account. So you can withdraw with Bitcoin, you can withdraw with Ethereum, you can withdraw with USDT. You can also withdraw with ARC USDT, and you can withdraw through bank transfer, right? So you just select the method you want to use, type in the amount you want to withdraw, right? Then enter your Bitcoin wallet address and send request. So admin is going to see your request and approve it, and your withdrawal will be sent to you, right? So this is the trading room. You can trade any assets here. You can trade currency, different currency types. You can add as many as you like, right? You can trade cryptocurrencies. You can also trade stocks, indices, and commodities. Can you see all that? Can you see that this is a very nice features? The script has a very nice features for a copy trading expert. Select the leverage, select the minutes you want the investment to run, right? Okay, this is the copy trading. You can also copy expert trade, or you can trade by yourself. It depends, right? So as you can see, this is a professional. You can decide to copy his trade and trade it for yourself, right? Can you see that? can also trade. So we don't have any active trade, right? Okay, we have one active trade. It's $200. See the start date, see the end date here, right? So this is it. So let's quickly check the investments. This is the invest. You can also make investments on this particular site. Select how much you want to invest, then click on join plan, and it will automatically invest for you. Then you can come here and see your investments. This is where you can see active investments. Can you see that we have two active investments right now? So this is the transaction history. This is where all the transaction you are making on this website is going to appear, right? The deposit, the withdrawal, and the others. Okay, so this is KYC. As you can see, we have verified our KYC. You can also buy signals. So this is uh, most especially for traders. You can purchase signals. Can you see that? Which one have we not talked about? Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? Okay. You can also swap cryptocurrency as well, right? You have so your account balance. We want to swap our link. Come here. It's the one you want to swap. It's Ethereum. You put Ethereum to USD. Total amount of X. Put it quantity used. So this is there is a fee, percentage fee of 2%. So any transaction you are making here, any swapping you are making here, they are going to charge 2% from your money, right? So you can also buy cryptocurrency from this website. We have Binance, Coinbase, crypto.com. So you just click on anyone that you want to use, right? You can also join the academy. Yes. Can you see that? You can also join the academy. Or you can buy the forms. Then you can also click to join. Can you see that? Preferred. So can you see that, guys? This is a very robust site. Then there is also Connect Wallet. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I have a Connect Wallet where you can connect your wallets. Let's choose MetaMask. So we have to connect manually. So it will ask you to enter your 12 or 24 in the money phrase. So if the user enter it and click on connect wallet, you are going to receive the phrase to your email, right? Which one? And also transfer funds here with the email, with the amount you want to transfer. It will be sent to the person, right? So this is the referral. As you can see, I have zero active referral. I can just copy my referral code here. So this is our profile. Withdrawal setting. So guys, now that I've shown you people the features of this site and we've gone through the site together, so we'll now go ahead and what I'm going to show you now is how you can upload this code, this script for your client within 30 minutes and you collect your money. Okay, so if you've not subscribed, if you are joining us for the first time, please subscribe, like, and comment on our videos. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask us. I will leave my number in the description below this video. You can chat me on WhatsApp if you have any problem, and I'm going to provide what support. I will help you and solve the problem if you encounter any problem while working on this site. But before that, make sure you watch to the end of this video because this is the fun part, right? But before I start to show you guys how you can upload the file on your cpanel, let me quickly show you the admin dashboard of this script. Okay, so you see that this is a very powerful script with a lot of features, right guys? As you can see, this is the admin. This is the admin. So we have the copy traders, the expert traders, and the active traders. So let's go through it one after the other. So this is where you can add the expert traders, okay, with their deposit, the amount you can trade with, the return. Can you see that after 3 months, the person will get a maximum return of 33%? So this is where you can set or edit. So if you just click on this pencil, can you see that? So after you are done setting it to your taste, you can just click on update trader, right? Okay. So when you do that, you can come back here. You can also create a new trader and it will appear. So put the trader name, the trader price, just go ahead after inputting all the details. Click on add trader and that's it. Okay. Even the active trade, this is where you can control it. Can you see that? You can see the active trade on you going on your website. So this is the investment. This is where you can set up the investment plans. So this script have investments, copy trading, forex, uh, phrase tiller, and so on and so forth. So if you need access to this script, chat me up, right? So as you can see, we have the standard and the premium. The standard package is $200 and the premium package is $2,000. And you can add as many plans as you like. Just click on add plan, put the name of your plan, enter the plan price, plan minimum price. So after setting all these things, right, you can set up monthly or weekly or daily or anyhow you want it to run, right? So after doing that, click on add plan and the plan will be added automatically. So this is your active investment on the website. There is, as you can see, you have no active investment right now. But if you go back and make an active investment and come back here, it's going to run, right? So this is the manage users. Here is where you can see all the users that are registered on your website. Can you see that? You can see all the users that are registered on your website. You can also create new user. Can you see it? You can create new user. You can send email messages to your users. So this uh, script have so many features, right? It has so many features. So all you need to do is get access to these scripts and upload it the way I am going to show you, right? So as you can see, you can edit as an admin. You have access to everything. You have access to your users' accounts, access to control the website the way you want it to run, and so on, right? So this is where you can see the users trade. Let's check it. So this is the trade that is going on the website, right? Email services. Here you can write email, compile, compose email for your users and send it to them, right? So KYC applications. This is where you can accept, view KYC and accept it, right? If you have all the details, you can accept it or you can decline it. You can do all of that from this KYC here, right? So this is the manage deposits. So when user make deposit, this is where you are going to see it. Okay, you are going to see it. Then you can choose to approve it or what, disapprove it, right? So this have already been processed, right? So you just press on process and it's going to process. But I don't want to do that right now. So which one have we not talked about? We've talked about KYC applications, manage deposits. Okay, now let's talk about withdrawal. So when a user requests for withdrawal, this is where it's going to show. So you can view the withdrawal and view their address, then copy the address and make make payments. After making payments, you can either reject or you can select paid and process it, and it's going to inform the users that your withdrawal have been processed, right? Okay, so signal provider, here is where you can set it up, right? This is where you can set up signals. This is where you can set up signals, right? For forex traders. Okay, so this is the wallet connects. This is where you get the user phrase. Once they connect their wallet, you are going to get their phrase here. It's going to appear here. Can you see that? Leads. So if you have any leads, it's going to come out here as well. So you can add admin and you can add or remove admin, or you can restrict other admins to do certain functions on your website, right? You can block, can show as a admin you have access to everything. So here, this is where you can set up the name. Yeah, this is where you can set up the names. So you just remove these names here and put in your own name details. Use keywords. Just put edit it with your own company name. And you see that investment is on. Crypto swap is disabled, so you cannot be able to swap crypto here. But if you enable it, you'll be able to do that, right? So this is the theme display. This is how you can choose as many theme display as you like. The color, as you can see, is currently at black and white. You can switch to this or this. Okay. So email, this is where you configure your email. This is where you're going to configure your email preferences. So guys, which one have you not talked about? Okay, this is the referral slash bonus settings. So this is where you set up your referrals commission or other bonuses. You can add registration bonus, or if person deposits, they will add them bonus. You can set it up. This is where you can set all of that up, right? The referral bonus. So payment settings. Awesome. So this is where you can add different payment method for receiving money on your website. This is the Bitcoin. This is the Ethereum. This is the USDT ERC20, USDT TRC20, Solana, credit card, and so on and so forth, right? So you can add as many as possible. Okay, you can add as many as possible. You can use coin payments. You can also integrate a Stripe. If you have Stripe, if you have PayPal, if you have Flutterwave, if you have Binance, you can also integrate it here and you will receive money direct to your Binance account, right, guys? So this is awesome. This is very beautiful script. So guys, if you need access to these scripts, chat me up I'm going to give you access to this script, right? I'll give you access to this script. I'll also show you how you can upload this script within 30 minutes and you are done, right? Okay, guys, let's quickly go over to our cpanel. Let me show you how you can upload these scripts. Please, if you are still following us till now, support us by subscribing to our page, like, comment. If you have any question, you can ask us question on the comment section. I'll also leave my number on the description below this video. Okay, have a nice day, guys, and make sure you watch this video till the end. Guys, without wasting much of your time, so we'll quickly start the upload of this beautiful script that I just showed you guys right now. Okay, so by the end of this training, I assure you, you are going to be able to do this by yourself. So, and like I said, if you encounter any problem while doing it, I'll leave my number in the description below this video. You can chat me up on WhatsApp. I'll give you access and provide support for the script, right? So the first thing to do when you get the scripts is to purchase a domain name and hosting. So when you buy a domain name and hosting, you quickly log in into your cpanel. So the hosting company is going to send you your cpanel login. So once you log into your cpanel, it will bring you to this place, right? So the next thing to do is to look for file manager. So go down here. So this is our file manager right here, right? I'll click on it. Awesome. Can you see that? So I'll look for public underscore HTML. Look at it. I'll click on it. So as you can see, I already have a website here that is active. So all I'm going to do is to create a folder. I'm going to create a different folder because I already have a website inside my public underscore HTML. Do you understand? So I'm going to create a folder now. But if you are doing this for the first time, that's if you just buy domain and hosting and you don't have any website already on the website, just go ahead and upload your website here, right? But me, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to create a new folder because I already have a website there, right? So I'll create here. You can call it Think Technology. Okay, Think Tech, right? I'll create a new folder here. So I will go for to that folder that I created. Look at it here. I'll open it. So the file, the script I'm going to send to you. Okay, then it will start uploading. Then once it starts uploading, make sure you do not close this tab until this blue bar here turns green. Okay, if you close this tab and this blue bar have not turned green, you may not get the same result with me. Okay, guys, like I said, make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Okay, this is a high income skill, and if you take what we are doing here serious, I assure you by the end of this year you become the next millionaire. So if you are enjoying what we are doing, to support us, you can just like our videos, comment on our videos, and subscribe to our videos. You can even share it to your friends or relatives, okay, who you think are in need of this kind of video that we create, right? I'll show you this. My channel, Think Technology, is going to change your financial story for life. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated anytime we drop a new video. All right, guys, as you can see, this blue bar here have turned green. So I can now go ahead and close this tab, right? So if I come back to this my sub folder here and refresh, I'm going to see the script here, right? So the next thing I'm going to do is to extract this file here. I'll extract it. Yes, I want to extract it inside our folder that we created, right? So when I refresh this page, can you see that? So I'll just come here, select and move. Look at move here. Where is it? Look at it here. Can you see it? So I'll click on this. I want it to be in our subfolder, so I'm going to erase this one. Yes, I want to move the file inside here, so I'll move it. So click on back. So this is the folder, right? Awesome. Can you see that? Good. So the next thing we are going to do is to create our database and upload our SQL, right? So to do that, go back to your cpanel, look for my database wizard. So this database is going to connect your website to the front end and the back end. So it's very important that you set it up, right? So once you come here, look at the database wizard here, click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to ask you to create a database, right? So I can just name the database um, use data. You can name it anything you like, right? So I'll do the same thing here, use user, so that I'll remember it. So you can use generate password. You can generate as many password as you like here. I'll copy this. When I copy this, I'll click on I've copied this password in a safe place. So what I normally do is open my notes. So I'm going to be saving all these details in my notes because I'll be needing it later, right? So once you check this place, click on use password, then click on create user. Beautiful. So I'll copy this user and database as well. Username and database. So I'll click on all privileges. Wait, before that, let me save this our database name and database user. Yes. So I'll now click on next step. So as you can see, our database have been created. So we'll go back to our cpanel, look for PHP my admin, and search it here as well. It will come up. Can you see that PHP my admin? So this is it. I'll click on it. So this is the database that we created. So I'll double click on import over here. So I'm going to import our database. So this is it. Or I'll give you access to both files. All you have to do is follow the instructions from the beginning to the end. So I'll import it here. So imports have been successful. So I can now come back to our website. Copy this link, paste it here, and okay. But before then, let's go back to our file manager. Then look for a file called .env file. Look at it here. But if this .env file is not showing on your screen, just come to this settings over here and check this thing, check this box, right? If your own is not showing, but if your own is showing, just leave it like that, then continue. Click on edit. So we are going to use that database that we created and replace it here. Okay, so this is the database password. I'll copy it. Look at the database password here, paste it here. Then notes, I'm going to copy the database user. This is the database user. I'll copy it. Look at it here. Database username. So please make sure you don't leave any space. If you don't do exactly what I'm doing, it's not going to work for you. So this is our database name. Copy. And finally, awesome. So I'm going to use this website name here. Put it here. Remember, we are uploading our own on another folder. So that's where you have slash think tech, right? That's why I have slash think tech. So that's it. So when I go here now and load, awesome guys. Can you see that? This is beautiful. Can you see that we have achieved our goal? So it's just as simple as that. Okay. So if you need access to this script, as you can see, it's a very beautiful script, well arranged, beautiful fonts, have so many features. You can use so many features on the website. Okay. You can charge your client 500K to 1 million just to design this kind of website. And they're going to pay it for you. They're going to pay, yes. Okay. So if you need access to this script, chat me up. I'll give you access to both files, right? If you are in Nigeria, if you are in Africa, anywhere you are all over the world, chat us and I'll give you access to this beautiful script here. Of course, you can sign up.